to take you on a video tour of my ratchets. 1/4-inch hex, Victorinox, Power Torque, Titan, Koken, 5/16 hex, Koken, 1/4-inch square, Titan, SK, Power Craftsman, Snap-on, 3/8 Gearwrench palm ratchet, the 3/8 Ezaypower, square drive, 1/4-inch hex, Power Torque, Duralast, Wright, a Craftsman 3/8 square head and a 1/4-inch body. I did that modification. Craftsman, Matco, Titan spud wrench, Snap-on, Milwaukee non-fuel. Moving into the 1/2-inch. This is someone cut off and shoved the grip up. I bought it that way. Craftsman, Power Torque, Mitoloy, 24-inch Power Torque, and an Olympus with an adjustable wrench head.